Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Let's get off into this special effects Halloween video. So I'm starting out with liquid latex, and I got this at the Spirit Halloween store. I'm gonna put 2 lines of that, and then I'm gonna stick some toilet paper to it. I'm gonna press it down, make sure it's stuck on there, and then I'm gonna take some more latex and I'm gonna go around the edges and smooth the edges down. And you want to do that to get a more realistic look. You want the edges to be flat and stuck to your face. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to tear off the excess toilet paper that's hanging beneath the second line I had made. And I'm going to do this around the whole perimeter of my face about 3 times. So before you start another layer, be sure to apply latex to the previous layer so that the new layer will stick on there, and continue to smooth down the edges. After you have all your layers applied, I did 3, you want to wait for it to dry, and you can tell when it gets dry because it'll go from white to like a really light tan or beige color. While I'm waiting on this to fully dry, I'm going to go ahead and start on the makeup. We got Juvia's Place Chocolates palette that I'm using for the eyes, and not going to go into much detail about the makeup. I got plenty of tutorials showing you how I do my makeup, but this is just a little simple, quick look. So now that everything is dry, I'm going in with setting powder, and I'm putting this all over the latex so that it won't be sticky when I get to applying foundation and all that on there. Next, I'm going to cut a slit around the perimeter. I got some little baby scissors, but they're very sharp. Be careful when you're doing this not to cut yourself. If it helps you, pinch the latex to get a little slack and then cut, and raise your scissors up like you're trying to break through the surface while you're doing this to avoid getting too close to your skin. Here I'm trimming some off because I want my cut to be more open. Now I'm going in with some red face paint all around on the inside and the edges. After I finish with the red, I'll go in with some black to make it a little bit more darker and more realistic. Put it all over the inside, put it on the edges, so it'll make the edges look like they're kind of bruised. Got the color that I wanted, so now we're going to go in with the blood. We're using scab blood first, and then we're going to use vampire blood and put that all around the wound. Emphasis on the places where you couldn't get the latex the color that you wanted, and then you're done. That's it, that's all. Happy Halloween.